My name is Mohan Sharma.
My name is Surendra.
Are here in front of you to explain the topic education system. First, let me tell you about what is education system. Education system is that system that deals with the affairs related to education. Now, in education system, we will tell you about different topics. Primary education, secondary education, women education, and the issues and the qualities related to education system. Firstly, primary education. Now let me tell you about what is primary education. In simple language, primary education is given to the children aged between 5 to 14 years. The Indian government has also banned child labor in order to ensure that children do not enter unsafe working conditions. There have been many several efforts to enhance the quality made by the government. Like the program DERP was launched in 1994 with an aim to unionize primary education in India. Now the rest of the topic will be explained by my group members Shubham Sharma and Surendra Meena. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Mohan Sharma. I am telling about secondary education. Secondary education covers children aged 14 to 18, a group comparison at 8.5 million. Children according to the census 2013, the final 2 year to secondary of its option called higher education, higher secondary secondary education.
शुभम एक्सप्लेन कर दो, पढ़ो मत, एक्सप्लेन कर दो ये।
The two मैम मेनली मतलब इसमें मैम प्राइमरी एजुकेशन जो होती है मतलब सब सेम पढ़ते हैं मतलब सेकेंडरी क्या होता है मतलब चेंज होता है मतलब सब बच्चे आइडिया बॉडी सब चेंज होता है
बोलने दो उसे क्या?
नेक्स्ट है women education. Women have a much lower literacy than men forever girls are enrolled in the school and many of them drop out in the patriarchal setting of the Indian family. Girls have lower status and favor privilege than boy children. Conversation cultural attitudes. But some girls from acting.
Good morning everybody, my name is Surendra.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है। तेज बोलो थोड़ा। एक मिनट आप सारे इसमें यहाँ डाल देते हो ना।
Right for primary education and rural children so
नेक्स्ट है
Now the issues related to education system. Facilities. In our education system, if you will not provide the facilities given to the government schools are not appropriate. That's why the rate of education in government schools is decreasing, as you can say, year by year or day by day. because they are not providing the teachers the appropriate amount of salary as compared to the private schools and colleges. The curriculum. Modern education in India is often criticized for being based on the rote learning rather than the problem solving. New Indian Express says that Indian education seems to be producing zombies in most of the schools. Students seem to be spending majority of their time preparing for competitive exams rather than learning or playing. Thank you.
एक्सप्लेन करो अपने टॉपिक को समझी बता दो क्या ज़्यादा पढ़ी है तुम्हारे सब में ज़्यादा हाँ
What is ERP? कहाँ करें?
अरे
मैम ने बोला पूछ सकता है ज़्यादा बोलो।
अरे
What is ERP?
It was an organization launched in 1994 for the enhancement of education system by the government of India.
Shubham, you explained that government colleges and schools are lacking revenue. This is the only reason for salary.
Yeah, the main
No,
reason.
no. That's because if you
I don't consider.
have you ever surveyed that the government schools are paid much better than the private colleges. There will be another problem also. But and second question, do you think India is lacking to today's education system?
Yeah.
And what shall be the improvement of it?
The improvement is only that the basic education provided to the children, the quality of the education must be improved.
Facilities,
Facilities.
e-learning.
That wouldn't provide in rural areas.
You are taking a education system. Education means